Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Thank you
afternoon.
for giving me this opportunity. My name is Varadacharya. I from Palvancha village and I studied my BTech in Anubos Institute of Technology, which is affiliated JNDH Hyderabad, and I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering stream, and in the year of 2022. And after I completed my graduation, I took some time to realize what to do next, and after that I learned Python from in VCUBE software solutions.
Okay, very good. Now you are in front of me.
Yes.
Thank God. Yes. So tell me, man, how much you rate yourself in Python out of 5?
2.5. Sir.
2.5?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Okay, no worries. Just tell me, what is the purpose of programming language?
To do the human work in means without interfering human efforts.
Okay. So whatever a human want to do, your computer want to do that. Okay. To tell to your computer, we want programming language. Okay, very good, man. So very good. Just tell me, what do you mean of variable?
Variable is a memory location which stores values, and it is a address, memory address.
Okay. So can you store that value in your program without variable?
No, sir.
Have you tried any new thing to do that?
No, sir.
No? Very good, man. No worries. So tell me, what's the use of if-else-if ladder?
If-else-if ladder, it is a multiple condition checking conditional statement, sir. Means if we take two to three or 2 or 3 conditions, if we check one condition, it is true, then we can we don't need to check remaining conditions.
Okay.
Or else if that one condition is false, and we can check for next condition, and if that is true, okay, we can go on with the next statements.
Very good, very good. So okay, just write a program to find the sum of first n natural numbers.
First
n natural numbers.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. Very good, man. Just tell me, as you used for loop, I would like to ask you one question, man.
Yes, sir.
What is the use of for over while?
For loop is if means we can know how many iterations we want, then we can go for loop, and it's a bit faster than while loops.
Okay, very good, excellent. Tell me, what is the difference between list and tuple?
List is a data structure which stores heterogeneous values and duplicate values, and it is a mutable data structure, whereas a tuple is a same as a list but is immutable. Once we declare a tuple, it cannot be modified.
Okay, very good. What do you mean of slicing?
Slicing is extracting some part of the data structure is called slicing.
Oh, good. Just take one list. Take an example list. I'm just giving you. List is like 10, Rama, True, Sita. Now I want to read the data from Sita to Rama, not from Rama to Sita.
Okay, sir.
Sita to Rama. By using slicing, how you do that? Just think once again, my dear friend.
Yes.
If you don't use any step, what is the step?
-1.
Okay, yes. If you don't specify that, it will be +1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, man. So what do you mean of generator?
Generator is a special function which uses yield keyword to return multiple values from a function.
Why we don't use a return statement then?
Once we use return statement, it cannot re-enter the function, so that only one single output will be taken from the function.
Very good. What do you mean of scope?
Scope is availability of a variable within a programming.
How many scopes are there?
4, sir. Global scope, local scope, non-local scope, and built-in scope.
Very good, very good. What is the difference between procedure-oriented programming and object-oriented programming?
Procedure-oriented programming is means top-down, means we write the functionality. Next, we declare the data. We'll give data based on the functions we are written. Whereas object-oriented programming is like first we store the data. On top of data, we write functions and procedures.
Very good.
So that we can flexibility of procedures making and so many other things will be easier in object-oriented programs.
Okay, good, good. Tell me, what is MRO?
Method resolution order, sir.
What is the purpose of it?
It is a statements, or it is a function which method is to be executed if multiple methods are present in inheritance.
Okay, the same name if you have multiple methods. Very good. What do you mean of magic methods?
Magic methods or dunder methods are special methods which will be invoked automatically when a function is when a operator is called or anything.
Okay. How can we recognize them as they are special methods?
They are recognized with double underscore in front of the name and after double underscore.
Very good. Very good, man. What do you mean of operator overloading?
Extending the behavior of the operator is called operator overloading.
Okay.
Like if we take two strings and we use plus symbol between them, it will do concatenate the two strings. Or else if you take two integers, it will add the integers. If you want to add some extra power to the place, we use operator overloading.
Very good. Very good. What do you mean of runtime error?
The errors which will be thrown at runtime, may compilation time, or in say Python you can say interpreted time, means code will be perfect, but when we interpret the code, a sudden error will come. That error will call runtime error, or we can say exceptions.
Okay, it's not interpret while the code is running.
Yes.
So due to the data, you might be getting some errors.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. What do you mean of module in Python?
Modules are the collection of functions that will be stored in a single Python file.
Okay, in a high level, you can say program. Python program is nothing but a module. Okay, very good. We'll come to the MySQL, my dear friend. What is the difference between SQL and MySQL?
SQL is a structured query language. It is a language to interpret to the MySQL or any other database like MySQL server, MongoDB or anything. SQL is a language to communicate with the database.
Okay. MySQL is database. Okay, very good. What is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete is it is a DML operation where if we want to delete the data from the table, like single row or column or entire table data, once we use delete command, we can roll back the data, means we can retrieve the data from the table
what has been deleted.
Whereas we use truncate, it cannot be retrieved back. It's an auto commit statement.
Okay, good man. So tell me, what do you mean of foreign key?
Foreign key, it is a constant which establishes a parent and child relation between two tables.
Can you write a foreign key example? I mean, you just tell me how you can add the foreign key to the employee table. I mean, write the example. Okay. I mean, let me check this. Not exactly correct, but you're almost there. Tell me, what do you mean of trigger?
Trigger is a event-based actions. When we change the data in a table or we do anything, any instructions given to a table or any data is changed in, we use the triggers so that who changed it or when changed, what is the exact data changed, we can note down in triggers.
Very good, man. Very good. Now, how you feel after learning Python? I'm frankly asking.
Better.
So you got the good knowledge,
yes,
or you're still in the confusion?
No, sir.
No, right? You're clear.